This is a 1928 Auburn Speedster. It's the first year for the Auburn Speedsters, and Auburn was known for their Speedsters. This is a Boattail Speedster, and the back of it is actually shaped like a boat. So this was an unusual, radical design and sort of a supercar design for the 1920s. The color of the car is cat's eye green, which was an original color for 1928. The Speedster had all of the lines laid back to give the illusion of speed. This car was acquired by my father in 1992. One of his friends said there were some Auburns back in the weeds, and that's where this car came from. My father pulled it out and started restoration and looking for parts for about 7 or 8 years, and then became interested in airplanes. I finished the restoration about 2.5 years ago, and since then we've been showing the car. The engine is a straight 8 engine, and it has 115 horsepower. It's really a very fast car. It'll go maybe 100 miles an hour. And they actually race these cars. This car is equipped with pilot ray lights, and these pilot ray lights turn with the wheels. And it's a mechanical linkage that's right here, and that's how it happens. Long-term intentions for the car is to pass it down through my family. The car is not for sale.